Welcome! In this video, I'll walk you through how to stop server members from sending you friend requests on Discord using the new update on PC. If you've ever joined a server and suddenly started getting friend requests from people you don't know, you'll be glad to learn about this quick and simple fix. First, open up the Discord app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. There, right next to your username, you'll see a gear icon. This is the settings button, and it's where all of your account and app controls are located. Go ahead and click on it. From the settings menu, look over to the left sidebar and scroll until you find the option called Content and Social. This section is where Discord manages things related to communication, safety, and the way people can interact with you. Click on Content and Social to open it. Now, scroll down until you see the section for friend requests. This is where Discord gives you control over who can send you a request. By default, Discord allows different groups of people to send requests, including everyone, friends of friends, and server members. In this case, server members can often be the ones sending you random requests, which can become distracting or even a little annoying. To stop that, all you need to do is uncheck or toggle off the option labeled Server Members. Once you disable this setting, people in the same servers as you will no longer be able to send you friend requests automatically. The great thing is that you still have control over who adds you. You can keep friend requests open to friends of friends, or even limit it further if you'd like more privacy. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your Discord account a little more private and better tailored to how you want to connect with people. Now you don't have to worry about unwanted requests every time you join a new community.